Hi viewers, welcome to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. In today's video, we'll be discussing on 11 tips you need to know before going into fashion design. Who is a fashion designer? A fashion designer is a creator, is a person that designs and makes clothes, bags, shoes, etc. A fashion designer should be creative, innovative, and make something out of nothing. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Number one, before you go into fashion design, you need to know your ability. Sometimes we normally do because others are doing. No, it's wrong. The best thing before you go into any profession, first, you need to know your ability. You need to know, are you creative? Can you be able to sketch through in the fashion world? Can you be able to design? Can I achieve something reasonable? Can I create a style that the people out there will like? You have to check yourself, friends, whether you can do it. That's the major key. Don't go into it because others are doing it. No. You know the things you can do better. If you're not good in fashion, you can be good in other things. There is a specific thing that you can do better than any other person. Know your ability. Know whether you are creative enough. Identify who you are. 2. The key to succeed in any career in life is passion. The question is, do you love yourself? Do you love your work? Do you enjoy doing it? Are you proud of your work? Passion is the drive that will keep you on. Even when money is not coming, it will be the drive that is the joy that you are creating something that people will like. So, my friends, be proud of yourself. Have a passion. Before going into fashion design, you must have that passion. When you love your work, it will give you joy. Even when a customer comes, start complaining, you didn't get the style I gave you, you will be happy. You will not be aggressive. You will not be transferring aggression to your workers or to customers. No. You are meant to serve the public. The love you have for your job will make you, even when somebody is on the wrong side, when a customer tries to be funny, sometimes they will bring a style, unlike you will see a fat person, you will look for a style for a slim person, see, oh, I need this style, sew it for you. After sewing it, you found out that the style is not good for her because she didn't find a style that fits her, and she will try to put the blame on you as a designer. So don't be offended. Just love your work. You have to just say, don't worry, I will handle it and all that. Okay, how long you sketch through in the fashion world depends on your passion. Love yourself, love your work, love your workers, and love your customers. Number 3, enroll on a fashion school, either online or offline. There are so many people out there that are ready to teach you. Your own knowledge is not enough. Try and have a teacher that will put you through. And on your own, you have to do research. Thanks to Google, you can research on any topic, on any style, the trending styles available. You can see it at Google or YouTube. You need to have the knowledge. Why you need a teacher is the person who put you through and reveal to you secrets in confronting challenging projects. In this fashion, there are many challenges, and if you don't have a guide, you may be frustrated on the way. So you have to have a teacher. And if you want me to be your teacher, you can contact me through my number on the screen. Or you can go to my Facebook page at Elegant Styles and Tutorial. You can give me a chat there. So we'll discuss. Get a teacher, get enrolled. Number 4, get your tools ready. Your measuring tape, your chalk, your scissors, your pin, your needle, the material or paper, etc. Get them ready. If possible, if you have access to a sewing machine, you can as well get it ready, because it will help you. After learning, you go back home and practicalize. You have to practice everything that you have learned. My dear, it's very, very important that you practice, because fashion designing is more of practical. It's more of practical. You have to practicalize every new style you come across, any style that you think that is. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid of maybe facing challenges. It's better you make mistake. Don't be afraid to make mistake. When you're starting, try to get everything at once. When you make mistake, it will help you to be corrected. But when you did not practice, you will not notice anything like mistake. But when you practice it, you will know where you are getting it right and where you are getting it wrong. So there is need for you to practicalize it. When you get home, everything that you are taught, make sure you practice it at home, in the school, at your learning place. Make sure anytime somebody see, you can get books as well. So practice everything you are taught. Another important tip you need to know is that you need to be inquisitive. Why you need to be inquisitive is that most boys, they are not ready to voice out unless you ask them questions, because they believe that you're supposed to ask questions. Be inquisitive. Anything you see, don't close your mouth. Don't keep quiet when you are expected to ask questions. You need to ask questions. How do you calculate this? How do you get this? What's the length you are using? What's the measurement you are using? Always ask questions and try to know the standard measurement. Example, sometimes customers may come when you are measuring, because you are too busy, you have a lot of work to achieve for the day. You may forget something. Maybe you measure the bust, you forgot the underbust measurements, and you need to sew that blouse maybe in 2 days time, and she have to do some calculation and she just directly got what she wants. You don't need to keep quiet in such case. As a learner, you ask, how do you get this? How do you calculate this? How do you come about this measurement? It's very, very important for you to be inquisitive and be patient. These two things work together. When you are learning, your boss may be shouting at you. She may be angry because of what is happening. She say you're not doing it well, but be patient. Always try to learn. That's the main thing. Try to learn. Try to get. If you are confused, don't keep quiet, because you paid for it and she's there to put you through. You don't need to keep quiet. You have to ask, how do you get this? Please, I need direction. What the most boss don't like is when they're busy, maybe on the cutting table, and you bring your own material for her to explain. No, nobody will do it. She will not answer. As long as she's busy on that, you have to leave her. When she's done, and you notice that when she's free, you cannot bring out that your own. You say, ma, how do you get this? How do you get this? I want to cut this. She will definitely answer you. Just be patient enough. Number 6, be creative, be innovative. When you are creative, it will make you hunger for trending styles. Now, when you are creative enough, you need to know the styles that are on board. You know, fashion grows every day. Every day you see new styles. Follow the trend. Follow the styles. Always research to know the styles that are coming up for you not to be outdated. Okay, what makes you different from ordinary tailors are your creative mind. For is your ability to put in your own creativity in action. Always try to own a style. Don't do copy and paste. No. You have, even if you are given a particular design, you have to make your own work, that even if when you present it to people, your own work will be recommended other than the sample that was given to you. Make your work attractive and outstanding. Let your work speak for you. It's very, very important. You know, every now and then people are going into fashion world. You need to make your work outstanding. That should differentiate you from other ones, from other designers, that your work will be, when you go out there and see your work, you will be happy to call yourself a designer. Now let's go to the next point. 7, advertise yourself. Tell people what you are doing. Let all you put on be your products. Let it be your design. Be your own model. Advertise yourself through social media, within your neighborhood, at your place of worship. Tell family and friends what you are doing. Tell them to come and patronize you. After graduating from the fashion school, register your business. It's very, very important for you to register your business. Brand your business. Get a good logo. Design a good banner that describes your business, which also has your contact in it. Okay, remember you need a shop. It's very, very important, or a place you can start from. Now, you have to always look smart. Look for the styles that fit you very well. Look smart and neat, and always attractive as a designer. Number 8, upgrade yourself. Guys, you need to upgrade yourself. Don't depend on the knowledge you had 2 years ago, 3 years ago. No, it's not enough to keep you going. You need to upgrade yourself daily. You need to know new styles, trending styles. You need to get used to it. You have to upgrade yourself daily through, you can do research, read books, search for new styles, search for new things. Try to learn new things. Don't say you are too busy, you are too occupied. No, you need to have knowledge of new things. Daily customers are coming with new styles, which demands new knowledge. And you remember, you cannot tell your, is somehow when you tell your customer, I can't do this, they'll be looking at you, do you really know the styles going on? No. You have to upgrade yourself so that if customers come, you'll be proud enough to say, yes, I can do this. And at the end, your own will come out perfectly. So please, friends, don't forget to upgrade yourself. It's very, very important. Let's go to the next. You need to have friends. Make friends with other creative designers. You know, iron sharpeneth iron. Sometimes the work may be too much on you. You need a help. You cannot do it alone. You can work as a team. You know, we do come across huge contract that has a time bound. You need someone to help you. That's why you need to connect yourself with fellow designers so that there will be no difference. You won't delay your customer, and you will also have a quality finishing. Number 10 is packaging. Give yourself a good standard. Let all your work have a good and a standard finishing. Don't manage anything that will stop you to give a good finishing. Customize your delivery package. 11, relationship. You need to have a good customer relationship. This is very, very important. You need to be cheerful. You need to have a good relationship with your customer, with your workers. Even if your customer is a hostile type, just be patient. Make sure you satisfy her or him. Because of what? That hostile customer, you know, can bring 100 good customers to you. Even if she cannot pay much, she can bring plenty people that can pay you much. So please have a good customer relationship. Every customer is important. You should not let them go. Make sure you satisfy them. Make sure they are happy with your product. And do you know what? They are your means of advertisement. They will advertise you to people you don't know. So please have a good relationship with them. And don't forget, finally, to have a good relationship with God. He's your creator. He's the one that will bless the works of your hand. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Bye until I see you in my next video.